Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need a durable and comfortable work shirt, check out this one from Carhartt. This is the Carhartt Force work shirt. It is a mid-weight shirt. It is a relaxed fit, so it's super comfy and it moves with you. My husband absolutely loves these shirts. He has several colors and you can see why. First of all, they're so soft and cozy and really comfortable to move around in. They do have a front pocket, which is nice as well. And these have a moisture wicking technology, so they are sweat resistant, which is great if you're using these for working outside or doing construction or whatever. They are definitely going to keep you cool and dry. They also have a UPF 25 plus protection, so you get a little bit of sun protection as well, which is awesome. These are easy to wash in the machine and dry them, so easy to take care of, and my husband just finds them to be his favorite work shirts. They are durable, they're comfortable, they last a long time, so they're the perfect work shirt, and that's our point of view.